Greetings and welcome to a new video. I hope you are all doing well. So in this video, I will show you how to install and use Santander Escaped to browse your file system, etc. Santander Escaped is completely free for everybody, and you can see it here that it is completely open source. The good thing is that now it supports all devices. All devices means A12 and up or A11 and lower. Not talking about the supported versions, so it will work on iOS 15.0 through iOS 15.7.1 and on iOS 16.0 through iOS 16.1.2. Now simply head to the official GitHub page for Santander Escaped. Simply scroll down and you will see releases right here. Scroll down a bit and you will find the IPA for Santander Escaped right here. Get it to your computer. Next, to install it onto our device, we will be using Sideloadly. Sideloadly is also completely free. Simply head to its official website and hit download, and you can simply get it from here for Windows, and it is also available for Mac OS. If you are doing it on Windows, you will need to first install iTunes. You can do it from these official links, and you will need the iCloud also. You can do it from this official link. Now at this point, simply connect your iPhone or iPad via USB and then open Sideloadly as I have shown you here. Now first of all, I will show you my version. So I am on 15.4.1 and you can see that it is an iPhone 7. Now simply hit this IPA button and now select the IPA for Santander Escaped that you have got. Hit open and here type in your Apple ID and then simply hit start. If you are doing this for the first time, it will ask you for the password for your Apple ID. Put it in and the process will start. Alright, so it is now almost complete. And you can see 100% complete right here, and we have the Santander Escaped app on my device. Now you can close out of Sideloadly. Now guys, on your device, go to settings first, then go to general, then go to device management, and from here you will have to trust the app like the Santander Escaped. Just make sure that the Wi-Fi is connected before you trust it. Now you can simply open the app. First time you will see this message, just hit OK, and then you will be able to browse the file system like so without any problem. And you can see that I am not jailbroken. Alright, so I can browse the file system easily without problems, as you can see it right here. You can also use this menu to navigate to different paths, as you can see it right here, so that you can easily browse the file system. So you can use this to replace the files that you want, so to customize the different aspects of the file system or your device. For example, I want to go to root, so I can do so here and then easily browse the file system. That's all for this video guys. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care.